today we are going to be viewing a secret. So, what do you guys think is in this Cool Whip bowl? It's not Cool Whip, I promise. You have 5 seconds to comment down below what you think is in this box. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you commented, subscribe to my channel and stuff like that. Turn on notifications. If you guessed slime, then you were right. But I made this slime today, and I'm just gonna view it for you guys so that. And make sure you leave a like because I am working on my views and I just started, so I may have like 6 views or maybe 7. So please help me out, guys, and please, guys, try to get me to at least 4 million subscribers. And if you can do that, then I might do a 24-hour challenge. Okay? You hear me? Okay? So if you want that 24-hour challenge to be done, subscribe to the channel and comment "I subscribe" down below. And if you did that, I might reply to some of your comments, guys. Listen to this ASMR. Beautiful ASMR. But that is that. I'm sorry, guys, I act funny. But look, it's literally clear through the inside. And then you do bubble with it. And this is a no hater zone. No hater zone. So, no hater zone, okay? And I'm also going to be viewing Elasty Plasty. It's a backwards message, so I have to turn it this way for you to see the correct message. Hold on. Can you guys see that right? It says Elasty Plasty on it. And I have a blow-through straw to do the bubbles for you guys. This is a 20-pound gallon. I found this at Walmart. It's a 20 can and it's in the slime section or toy aisle. Here it is. The original Elasty Plasty. And I know some of you guys asked me to do slime swirls, but I can't do those, so I don't do those. You flatten out the slime first, then you make a good hole to blow air through. Like you separate it. And it's going to blow a big bubble. So you take your straw, and I blow through this end, because that's got my airway hole in it. And if you do it in an area that don't have bubbles, it's not going to blow a bubbles. Hear that, guys? But I don't kind of like it because, like, it has glitter in it and gets on your nerves getting on your hands. So I wouldn't recommend it, though. Okay, guys. Next thing. Okay. I just wanted to tell you guys that if you are a new member, subscribe, notification bell, hit it. Smack that like button and smash that subscribe button.